Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. So we're on the 1 hour time frame, pound US dollar. We had a pretty big gap on most of the pairs. I mean, very, very nice gap. The gaps did fill, but to me, this definitely is like an impulsive move down with the gap. So you would kind of expect this move up to be a correction to the last move down. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If we see a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level, which it really could be any one of these levels, then I definitely would take it as a short. It might just end up being a wave C, meaning that it might just go down to these lows and then reverse back up for a wave one, wave two, wave three, like I was talking about last week. Or possibly it could end up doing like a wave one, a wave two, and then just keep on going down for a wave three. Luckily, if you try to go short here, thinking that it's a wave C, there wouldn't be an exit if it's a wave three because a wave three is a big impulsive move. So potentially you'd be learning and earning at the same time, whether you're trading a wave C or whether it really is a wave three, which is definitely my best way to trade, which is learn and earn. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.